Hello and welcome back to Chris the Butcher. I'm French. And tonight we're doing something a little bit different. This is for John Houseland, aka the Lost Boy. Show him some love, he's not been very well. But he wanted me to do a vegan spicy burger. Alright? I couldn't find a vegan spicy burger, but what I have got is this. I have got, ladies and gentlemen, some southern fried Quorn burgers. Huh? It don't say what meat it's supposed to be, or pretending to be. It just says, proudly meat-free, deliciously versatile. You can either cook it and bin it, or you can just fucking bin it. Huh? But this is why it's different. Because this is going to be my new challenge. I'm going to pick a couple of channels at the end of this to take on this challenge. And it's going to be called the Chris the Butcher Vegan Challenge. And all it consists of is you've got to take the main ingredients of your meal. It has to be vegetarian or vegan. And you've got to completely fucking destroy it with anything that's dairy, meat, or that vegans can't fucking touch. Well, apparently, I've got to preheat the oven and the tray, the baking tray, I've never heard that before, to 200 degrees. So, we're waiting for that. That might take 10 minutes. There are our Quorn burgers. Our bullshit burgers. And, before we do it, let's take a look. Yeah? There they are. Now, they look like southern fried chicken burgers, don't they? Take a good look. Anyway, I'm going to wait for this tray to preheat, and then we're going to put them in a red hot tray. That's if I could get it out of the oven without losing my fingertips. But we'll give it a whirl. Right now, my oven and my roasting tin are at 200 bloody degrees. So, I'm going to carefully put that down there with a towel. And I've got my 4 Quorn bullshit burgers. And apparently, God, I can feel heat coming off that. Get it back. And put it in the oven for 16 minutes. So I'll see you in roughly 16 minutes. So, our Quorn southern fried bullshit burgers are coming out of the oven. And there they are. And I've got to be bang honest with you, right? They smell like nothing I've ever smelt before. They're supposed to be a meat substitute. Don't smell like meat. I can't smell anything. But hey, they're red hot and that burnt my finger. But we're not finished there. We're going to let them sit to one side, cool. I'm going to crack on with our other delights. And next up is our smoked streaky bacon. Straight from the gods. Now, if that doesn't scare the pants off a vegan, nothing will. So we're going to build it. Everything is ready. And the first thing I'm going to do is, on mine, which I've got a... I did something like that this morning. I've got a white roll. Some full-fat, egg-filled mayonnaise. Luke has got a brown one, right? A brown bun. So there is our mayonnaise, vegans. Then we're going to go in with our... We had 4, so I'm going to put 2 on each. Our vegan monstrosity. Our Quorn southern fried bullshit burgers. So we got that. Then, my brothers and sisters, you saw it. We've got the streaky bacon. So we got that one. We got 3 slices for each one. There you go. This is looking mighty fucking fine. There on loose. Our 3 slices of streaky goodness, heaven. Bacon makes everything better, doesn't it? Don't you agree, eh? Ants. Whoa, 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 I nearly forgot. We've got a slice of processed cheese. There we go. That one is loose, finished, yeah? Mine is not finished. In the juices of the bacon, I destroyed a fried egg. So, my bacon juiced, cooked, destroyed fried egg is going on mine as well. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Now, you're not telling me I have not just destroyed that Quorn bullshit burger. Look at them bastards. Before we go for a taste test, we're going to come down here and have a bloody good look at them. So, there they are. On the left is Lou's without the egg. On the right, there is mine with the egg, the Quorn burger, the bacon, the mayonnaise, the cheese, and I am gonna slide that down my gizzard. And Lou is gonna slide that down her gizzard. And we'll be right back at you. Right, we are doing the taste test of our vegan challenge. There is mine. Yes, I have got a plaster on. And it's not to cover up my white fingernails and an accident. There we go, we've got egg, we've got bacon, we've got the bullshit Quorn burger and mayonnaise. Lou, what have you got on yours? Were you doing something behind my head then?
No, I was going to do it behind the burger, but...
Put your wine down and get with a programme.
Yes. By the way, I'm
right, that's Lou's. You show it to the camera. For Christ's sake, we'll be here till next millennium. Right, can you see it? You need binoculars, right?
I'm doing it. There's a bit of brown bread.
Right, brown bread, yeah. I'm not here to taste the brown bread. Right, and this...
You got the packet?
Get on fire. I'm struggling to get on screen here. The packet's in the bin, love. I've binned it. Along with these fucking burgers should be, right? So I'm going to have a dabble at mine. Lost boy, I'm going to think the shit. But then again, I've got bacon, I've got mayonnaise, I've got egg. Ugh.
We've got egg on that, look.
You know what Luke takes a bite of hers, right? And look, the consistency looks like chicken. But all I can taste is mayo and egg.
I'd eat it. It's not bad, is it? It's not bad.
Don't know, because I haven't done a taste test yet.
Yeah, but mine's not bad. It'd be better with a proper southern fried chicken burger. Because I can taste the fucking falseness a little bit. It's chewy. It's chewy. It's like rubber. Lost boy, I'm sorry. You want to start eating some proper fucking sausages? Right, Lou, you go for it.
Right, I'm going to give this a go. Here we are, Lost Boy, for you. They're okay then. I actually like these. Lost Boy, they're okay.
Huh? She drinks Lambrini. She's got no fucking taste, that's a problem.
No, I'm out here.
And there I rest my case. So, my brothers and sisters, that is Chris the Butcher's vegan challenge. And that was for John Housley, Lost Boy. Thank you, my brother / sister. So, the challenge is, we're going to take, the main ingredient has to be, it's got to be vegan, right? When I said vegetarian, don't take a cucumber. Well, I suppose you could do, couldn't you? It's vegan, isn't it? Right, forget that. The challenge is, the main centerpiece of your meal has to be vegan or vegetarian. And then you've got to dress it up and make it so a good, fantastic, fucking hearty meat eater will eat it and not say a word. I don't know how that's going to work. But that is the challenge. It's got to revolve round a vegetarian or vegan thing. You know what? There's 3 levels, isn't there, right? I'm digressing here. This is going to be about an hour long, this video. There's 3 levels. You've got a vegetarian that will eat eggs, milk, dairy products. Won't eat meat. Then you have a pescatarian who will eat eggs, milk, and fish. Then you have a vegan who are just plainly fucking ill. I have no idea if I've made any sense of this challenge. Right? Just quickly recap. Take something vegetarian or vegan and make it worthy of a meat eater. And that is the challenge. And I've got a handful of channels that I would like to take on this challenge. They don't have to, right? You don't have to. Just because I've said I challenge you. You don't have to, right? You don't feel comfortable, right? All I ask you to do, if you do, is link this video in your description. And I need to look up and find out which channels I'm going to challenge. Channels I'm challenging. I've had a few icons. I'm feeling a bit 3 sheets to wind right now. I'm back to you in a second when I work that out. So I'm at the part of that show where I'm going to pick 5 people to take a vegan recipe or a vegan meal or a vegan fucking burger or anything and make it so a meat eater, a carnivore would eat it. And the first one I am going to choose is my big daft lump of a mate in Florida, or California, sorry, and that is Cooking with CJ. I'm spitting. Right? The second one is, listen, I don't know if these are subscribed to me. If they're not, then you guys will have to let them know, and that is Josh and Babe. The third one is, I know he's subscribed to me, and I've challenged him before. That is Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. I know he's in Florida. Right? The fourth one, we're not in America, we're in Canada. And I can't leave this guy out. It's RTFL Muffle. Woo! That is Cooking Green Bastard Style. That is GB. And last but not least, I know he's in America. Not sure whereabouts. He likes that fucking American football shit. You know when they have oval football, it's not rugby. Where it goes in touch. And then the entire team change. Oh, we're on the fence now. 17 substitutions. Come on. That is Cooking with James. Oh, all their channels will be in the description. So, even if they don't take up the challenge, click on them, check them out, tell them I sent you. And, well, that's me, that's it. This is another 15-minute video, so it'll get my view time up at least, I think. Well, if you like that Quorn bastard fucking bullshit burger, I was alright with egg and bacon and mayonnaise on it. Super alright, but if you liked it, press like, comments, share on all your social media and subscribe. And become a family member of #TeamCTB, where I fucking love you.
Huh?
I take great pleasure in destroying it.
I had to scrub all that today. Well full of grease.
What's your job, isn't it?
Thanks for everything.
You're the woman.
No, but it makes it harder if it's left.
Why do you think women have small feet?
To kick you up the fucking ass.
No, so you can get closer to the fucking sink.
That's bullshit. You know it.